Hello everyone, this is Sam here and you're watching my channel Technician Sun. So in today's lecture basically I'm going to start off with the home button in PowerPoint. Previous to this I had created a video which talks about the introduction to PowerPoint. Earlier I've completed series on Word. Okay, I've explained each and every minutest detail about Word, and also I have created a series on Camtasia Studio 9, which is a video editing software. So if you wish, you can go and take some ideas from there too. You're always welcome. Okay, starting off with the home button in PowerPoint. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you about new slide. I'm going to teach you about layout. I'm going to teach you about reset, and I'm going to teach you about section. Okay, cool, right? Okay, so new slide is basically to enter a slide. What is a slide? This is a slide. This is one page. So this is called a slide. When you click on this, you can insert a new slide. Okay, yes, but the second slide will be of different manner, because this first slide is your something like a cover page, as there was a cover page in Word, remember? So like that only there's a cover page in PowerPoint. Okay, basically you can add your title here. Say now I'm teaching you Word, sorry, I'm teaching you PowerPoint, right? So I can write PowerPoint tutorials. Okay, and down I can write by technician. Okay, it has auto correction on. Okay, so I typed the letters in small letters, so it automatically became capital. The T became capital, you must have seen. Okay, if this red line is coming, don't worry, in the final thing it will not appear, this red line, don't worry. You still, for your satisfaction, you can do ignore all, so this line will go off. Okay, so you can do something like this. Now if I play the slide, for playing the slide, guys, just click on this small computer button. So it'll say PowerPoint tutorials by Technician Sam, then one empty page, and then end of the slideshow, right? Okay, coming on to layout. What is layout? Basically, layout is, say in the second slide, I don't want to add title here. Say I want to differentiate. Say I'm differentiating between a man and a girl. Say, okay, or I can say I'm differentiating between a cat and a dog. Say cat and a dog. Okay, so I will click on comparison. So comparison. So here I can write, say, cat. Okay, and here I can, you can even move this. Okay, here say I'm writing dog, and then I can start writing the points. Say I can write anything. Okay, a dog makes a bark sound, right? So I'm just writing a dog barks. Okay, okay, cat has a soft voice. Okay, I'm just writing soft voice just to show you. The moment I press space and enter, automatically a new bullet point is created. So you can type something here, then space. So as many bullet points you want, you can select. Okay, then now we will come on to reset. Okay, what is reset? Basically reset means, if you have an image imported here and if you don't want that image, reset is basically like undo. Okay, can read what is written here. So it's saying reset is basically the position, size and formatting of the slide placeholders to their default settings. Okay, so it means that first this PowerPoint tutorials was like this. Was it like this? No, right? It was first empty, right? Or is, I had typed something before, say first I typed PowerPoint and then I thought, oh, no, I should be adding PowerPoint tutorials. So it will return back to PowerPoint. Okay. That is all about reset. Reset is nothing but something like undo. It's nothing difficult to understand. Now coming to sections. Sections are very important in projects in which you have 40 to 50, or maybe it may even go up to 100 slides. In that case, to differentiate or to say which belongs to a particular section, say um, I'm learning about the different animals. Okay, for one animal I'm writing 5 slides. Okay, and say I'm talking about a lion and I'm creating 5 slides on a lion. I'm talking about the habitation and where is it found, types of lions. Okay, and all about it. Okay, so um, for that I have to create a section, right? So how can a section be useful? Just click on section, just say add section. Now there are only 2 slides, right? So you can even write the section name. Say this slide was about a lion, so I can write lion. So guys, it's very easy to find out from this. So I can say, okay, lion. From here, all the below slides below this word and this section lion belong to the lion section or this section. So you can rename your section and make it any name. Okay, so these all 4 points should be helping you a lot in your projects which you make it on PowerPoint. Okay, so this was all about new slide layout, reset, as well as section. Okay, and see you in the next video with some more enhanced tool. So till then, stay tuned and happy learning ahead.